Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today is the Thursday train, and I'm going to be doing a piece that is actually kind of a partner piece to what I did for my last video. After I finished it, I was like, oh, you know what, this might look interesting if I reverse the order of the layering. So I went ahead and tried it. I will let you leave a comment down in the comment section below and let me know which one you like the best. After me is going to be Just Janice, and followed by art by Julie E. So please stick around. So without any further ado, let's get down to the canvas, or in this case the tile, and see what we're up to today. Okay, our first color today is Indigo by Atelier Interactive, Cuneg by Golden, Teal by Golden, Storm by This Little Piggy, A Custom Cold by Golden, and Waterfall by This Little Piggy. Our cell activators are Lamp Black by Amsterdam and Titanium White by Amsterdam, both mixed with 3 parts of Australian Floetrol. This is the piece that I was trying to see what would happen if I reversed the color layers. So I'll just let you watch this. This went up on Wednesday. If you haven't had a chance to see it, I will put a link above so you can click on it to watch after this video. Or you can at least come back to it after the train. Okay, so this is my Glidden Essentials in eggshell going down. Picked up a can not too long ago and tried it, let it sit open for a while, and it helped. Okay, this is the Indigo. This is what went down last on the painting you just saw. So I'm going to just reverse that order. This is Storm. This is Waterfall. This is Teal. Quercetinone Nickel Azo Gold, otherwise known as Cuneg. This is my custom gold. It's actually started out with Interference Gold by Golden, with just a tiny bit of precious gold from PBO added to it just to give it a little bit more of a champagne gold. My Lamp Black cell activator, followed by my Amsterdam Titanium White. In the previous picture, it was the other way around. It was Titanium White with the black underneath it. just going to cover up my corners here. The purpose of that is just to give the paint something to flow across so they can get it off the sides. Soft spin-ish. It's just to open up the cells and show me what's going on. I didn't want to spin it out yet. This is just so I could see what was happening. Now I'm going to pick up my pastry cutter and I'm going to scoop this up. And then lay it right back on top of it, stretching out those cells and creating something that wouldn't have otherwise been there. When I first saw this, I wasn't sure I liked those pillow cells, but they kind of grown on me. That's a love-hate thing usually, but not this time. It actually kind of works for this piece. Okay, now I'm spinning to cover the tile and get an idea what my composition is going to be. Getting those tips, those bikini corners, as Karen Durskin likes to call them. Okay, now I'm spinning to get paint off the tile. And spinning took quite a while with this because there was more paint on here than you would think. If you haven't had a chance to do so yet, stick around and watch Just Janice right after me, followed by art by Julie E. It's time for the flyover. Now you notice that I did get some really nice big juicy cells. They stretched beautifully and they held their shape. So I don't think I could be unhappy with this. I have a favorite of the two, but let me know which one you think was your favorite. Up after me is going to be Just Janice, and followed by art by Julie E.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I want to invite you to stick around for Just Janice, followed by art by Julie E., and I will see you next time. Bye for now.